Greetings from the future of luxury travel to a concept that pushes the boundaries of automotive innovation. Consider the well-known Maserati brand's foray into the recreational vehicle sector. Although it is not yet an official product, we envision a Maserati Motorhome for 2026 that redefines road travel with a splash of Italian luxury and performance. The automobile will appear solid and well-built from the outside. Its broad grille, which prominently shows the iconic Trident logo on either side of the narrow LED headlamps based on the most recent Maserati GranTurismo, gives it a unique and striking appearance. The design is finished with flowing, aerodynamic body lines, some with carbon fiber accents, and large, sporty alloy wheels. This stunning exterior is powered by a 3.0-liter Nettuno family twin-turbo V6 engine that produces around 530 horsepower and is comparable to the one found in the Maserati Grecale Trofeo, or a fully electric drivetrain, Folgore, with strong twin motors that deliver quick acceleration and a smooth ride for zero-emissions driving, in keeping with Maserati's dedication to an electrified future. When you get behind the wheel, you'll discover the perfect combination of luxury and the driver's cockpit. The dashboard is dominated by a large infotainment touchscreen and a wide, smoothly stretched digital display that looks like driving instrumentation. The haptic controls and revolving metal make it simple to operate. High-end materials like Piano Fiori leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber or open-pore wood accents decorate every nook and cranny, creating a cozy but athletic ambience. The unique Maserati design of the steering wheel, which could have carbon fiber paddle shifters, highlights the performance DNA. As you go aft, you are greeted by a spacious living area that is drenched with natural light from panoramic windows. The layout's adaptability allows for the creation of both luxurious eating areas and tranquil relaxation areas. In addition to being incredibly comfortable, the most opulent leather sofas with contrast stitching may also have amenities like massage, heating, and cooling. Crystal clear music is played throughout the cabin by a top-notch audio system from a reputable brand, and the LED ambient lighting system can be adjusted to create different moods. The bedroom is a tranquil retreat. A quality orthopedic mattress on a king or queen size bed ensures a restful night's sleep after a long journey. The walls and ceilings are decorated with leather or Alcantara upholstery and soft recessed lighting. Plenty of storage space is provided by built-in closets with internal illumination, and there can be a hidden TV screen that hangs from the wall or ceiling. The bathroom of this Maserati Motorhome is a private sanctuary. It features a modern porcelain toilet, a trendy sink with pricey faucets, and a full-size shower with water jets and a rain shower head. Mirrors with LED lighting are frequently found on quartz or marble surfaces. This 5-star spa has efficient ventilation and a towel warmer for maximum comfort. The kitchen is a treasure trove of beauty and functionality. High-end cookware brands go well with custom carbon fiber or wood cabinets. A convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, a large refrigerator with freezer, and even a built-in coffee maker are all included. Cleaning and meal preparation are made easy by the large sinks with pull-down faucets and the luxurious natural stone surfaces. There is plenty room for creative food and cookware storage, all with the typical Maserati attention to detail.